Welcome to All About Home Decor. If you're looking to transform your home into a stylish and cozy space, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be exploring some stunning home decor ideas and interior design tips that will help you elevate your space effortlessly. Whether you're doing a full renovation or just want to make a few upgrades, these ideas are sure to inspire you. Let's dive in. Choose a theme. The first step in designing any room is selecting a theme or style that reflects your personal taste. Whether you love the clean lines of modern decor, the warmth of rustic charm, or the elegance of classic styles, having a clear theme will guide your decor choices. Consistency is key when it comes to interior design, and sticking to a theme will create a cohesive look throughout your home. Color palette. Next, let's talk about color. Choosing the right color palette can instantly set the tone of your home. Neutral tones like beige, gray, and white are timeless and versatile, providing a perfect backdrop for pops of color through accessories. You can add vibrant colors like mustard yellow, teal, or blush pink to give personality and energy to your space. Just remember to balance bold hues with more subdued tones to keep everything in harmony. Furniture placement. Now onto furniture. The layout of your furniture can significantly impact the flow and feel of your room. Start by considering the function of the room. In living areas, arrange furniture to promote conversation, with seating facing each other. In dining rooms, ensure there's enough space to move around comfortably. Avoid overcrowding, sometimes less is more, allowing your space to breathe and feel more open. Play with textures. One of the best ways to add depth and interest to your home decor is by incorporating various textures. Mix soft materials like velvet or cotton with harder surfaces like wood, glass, or metal. Rugs, throw blankets, and cushions are excellent for layering different textures. This will create a tactile experience that adds warmth and dimension to any room. Lighting matters. Good lighting can make or break a room's ambience. Natural light is always a plus, so maximize it by using light curtains or leaving windows uncovered. For artificial lighting, layer different types such as ambient, task, and accent lighting. Chandeliers, floor lamps, and table lamps can all bring character while providing necessary illumination. You can also use dimmers to adjust the mood and set the perfect atmosphere. Add personality with art and decor pieces. Your home should be a reflection of you, so don't be afraid to show off your personality. Artworks, family photos, and decor pieces are a great way to make your space feel personal and unique. You can create gallery walls, mix vintage finds with modern pieces, or even DIY some of your decor for a one-of-a-kind look. Just be mindful not to clutter your space. Sometimes, a single statement piece can be more impactful. Greenery and nature elements. Another simple yet effective way to enhance your home is by incorporating plants and natural elements. Not only do they add a fresh and organic vibe, but plants also improve air quality. Choose easy-to-care-for plants like succulents or snake plants if you don't have a green thumb. Additionally, you can use natural materials like wooden furniture, stone accents, or jute rugs to bring a bit of nature indoors. That wraps up today's video on home decor and interior design ideas. Remember, whether you're decorating a small apartment or a large house, it's all about making the space feel like your own. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home inspiration. Let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite, or share your own decor tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.